Hello friends, today let's talk about on-camera confidence. Why? Because it's so important when you're making videos, whether you're putting them on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Vimeo, wherever you put your videos. If you look like an awkward little clam, people aren't going to watch them. They're not going to watch you and your content. Even if you have the best information ever, they're going to get bored and click off. We don't want that. Confidence is a super personal thing. You might watch a video and think, wow, that person looks so confident, but they might not feel confident within themselves. When I first started making videos on this channel, sometimes I felt so awkward on camera, and I watch some of my videos and I think like, oh my gosh, who is that awkward clam? Why do I sound like a dweeb? Why does my voice go croaky? It's even doing it now, even though I feel pretty relaxed. And you guys who watch my videos, no offense, but you don't know me. There's probably like 4 people who actually know me in real life that watch my videos. So you don't have anything to compare it to. You just see this and you think like, yeah, she's confident. That's how she seems. That's how she is. But maybe in real life, I'm a bit more excitable, or I'm a bit more flappy, or I might be like a little bit quieter and shy. You don't actually know what my personality is, you just see me on camera. There are many different personalities and all of them can work on video. You don't always need to be one of those like, hey guys, welcome back to my channel, like type of people. I don't know why I always default to an American accent, and apologies, no offense. But you can also just be like a bit calm like me now. You don't need to be shouting at the camera. You can just present your points in a calm, mellow way. That is still being confident. Getting on video, uploading your videos to the internet for potentially the whole world to see is something you wouldn't do if you weren't confident. So whatever your personality is in real life, try and just bring that to the camera. To be honest, I probably am a little bit more excitable and flappy and weird in person, but on camera sometimes I'm just tired, to be honest. But I still think that I seem confident sometimes. The next thing that helps with being confident on camera is talking about something that you are passionate about. Now, of course, any video you're making on YouTube, you should be passionate about. If you're making videos just because you think you're going to get a lot of views and make a lot of money, then 1, that's not how it works, and 2, you're doing it for the wrong reasons. If you talk about things that you are passionate about, usually these things you are knowledgeable about. You don't need to spend an hour before each video researching the exact facts and numbers that you want to present. You can just talk more freely from the heart. For example, on my channel, I talk about videography and social media because these are things I am passionate about. Videography is something I am still learning about, so I'm not super knowledgeable, but whenever I learn things, I try and present them straight away to you guys as sort of like a revision, whereas social media is something I've been using like for as long as I can remember, both as a personal user and for business purposes. So I could talk about social media till the cows come home. There are of course some videos that I do have to actually research when it's like exact facts or figures, and those are the videos that I feel I'm not so confident when I end up presenting them because I'm too busy trying to remember exactly what I want to say rather than how I'm saying it, rather than how I am presenting it. Whereas with a video like this is just completely all my own opinions, and I didn't even make an outline for this video. I just thought, you know what, I just filmed a really awkward video that, to be honest, I wasn't happy with. It was the video about Notion, hence why I'm wearing the same outfit. And I just thought, you know what, I'm going to start talking about on-camera confidence in a calm way. Just sat here talking like a conversation, me and you. Of course, another way to become more confident on camera is time. Just keep doing it time after time. Practice makes progress. I never say practice makes perfect because I don't believe in perfectionism. I have been trying all my life to be perfect and it just doesn't exist. Scientific result, it does not exist. But progress does exist, and that is even better. The very first time that you turn on a camera and start talking to it, you're gonna feel like that awkward clam. It's weird to sit here and talk to yourself and potentially have your neighbours or your housemates hear you and you're just sat in a room talking to a piece of metal, maybe looking at yourself on the screen or looking into the lens so there's nobody speaking back. Of course it's going to be awkward, you're going to feel like that awkward clown. But the more you do it, the more you practice, the easier it becomes and the more comfortable you become. A quick little tip that you can do actually is maybe get like a picture of one of your friends and just stick it behind the camera. It might seem a little bit weird if they ever visited you and you had a picture of them behind your camera, but that might help with making it seem like you're just talking to a friend. I've made around 50 videos on this channel, and definitely I've noticed that when I make videos more like this, where I'm just talking freely, I feel a lot more relaxed and comfortable, whereas heavy informational based videos or like tutorials where I'm trying to get things exactly right, that's when I feel like a bit more nervous because I don't want to make a mistake. It's really weird for me because I have another YouTube channel where I make travel vlogs in Indonesian, and I feel like I am completely different on camera in my travel vlog channel. I don't know if it's because I speak a different language on that channel, and I do find when I speak Indonesian I have like a bit of a different personality. I become like more Indonesian, and also because I'm really passionate about travel, of course, but I can't really travel right now. My new passion is videography, and you will see that when I make videos like making stuff like my softbox light, I was more confident, and that is what you can do too. To be more confident on camera, just keep practicing and talk about things that you love, talk about things that you are passionate about. Hopefully some of these tips are helpful or resonated with you. If they did, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think, or if you are still struggling with being on camera, with being confident on camera, let me know. That is all for today, so thank you for watching. Click subscribe wherever, watch a video, do something. Thank you, bye!